I'm not good enough. I'm just a huge disappointment. I don't know what should I do.
Academic pressure encompasses various factors that contribute to the student's stress. These are the some causes of academic pressure, which is parental expectation, peer competition, and self-imposed, that lead to affect the student health, anxiety, and depression.
Honey, over. How's your day?
Mom, I'm so joyful because my patient is already released from the hospital.
That's great. How about you, my son? I'm fine, Dad. By the way, I got a high score in our exam. That's my son.
Very good.
The Ashton are already home. He is just like here today, parents.
Let's go. Mom, by the way, Ashton is already home.
Call him. I'm going to eat.
Ashton, what score did you get on your exam?
As usual, he's always low unlike his brother.
Your parents and siblings are smart. Ikaw lang bukod tama. Bakit kaya nagmana?
Mom, Dad, don't pressure my brother like that.
Hepon.
Okay, I just want to announce the activity that you need to do for our year activity. You need to create an individual promotional video about environmental sustainability. I want it to be good. Also, we will have our recitation our next class, 100 points. Please also pass your project that I gave last week.
That's so easy, Mom.
By the way, let's congratulate our top one for this semester, Kurt Perez.
I wish I was like him.
Hey Ashton, that's fine. Just try your best and better luck next time. You can do it. Just work hard and you will be on top.
There's a lot of activity again. It's so hard.
Hey man, what's up?
Hey,
You okay?
I'm fine.
You look so sad. Do you have a problem?
No? Hello.
You know who I am. You have a problem. Academic pressure, family problem. Pwede ka naman mag-abil sa akin, pre.
Okay yun.
Kaya ngayon. Dito lang kami mga kaibigan mo.
Thanks.
It's just a dream.
I think something wrong with Ashton. I think we have a lot of pressure on him.
I think we need to talk to him.
Yes, let's go. Ashton! My son!
My son, what's wrong with you? What is this? You're going to suicide?
Tell me, what's wrong?
I'm so sorry. I tried to do my very best, but I'm just an embarrassment.
No, you're not. We're sorry, my son. We're going to the psychiatrist tomorrow. Don't you worry.
Doc, my son, Ashton, are suffering anxiety and depression. Psychotropic medication can also help reduce anxiety and depression symptoms. It doesn't help you to address the cause of those symptoms, though, so your doctor or psychiatrist will typically recommend therapy alongside medication.
Hey, forgot to come. Oh, thanks, man.
Oh, he's a working student, which is inspiring because he combines studying with his job.
Students often feel relief and sense of peace. They experience less anxiety and stress, which help improve their mood and mental health. They feel more confident and motivated because they can focus clearly on their work without fear or worry. And that's all. The end.
Minsan, parang ayoko na lang magsalita. Madalas na akong tahimik na katulala. Dinadama na lang yung bigat na nadarama. Kausap madalas kwaderno, dun na lang nadadrama. Musika ang terapi, ang panakip sa kalungkutan. Madarama sa ilanin, tintito ng karamihan. Sa kabila ng pigating nakakabutas ng bunbunan, laki ng seldang kinagisnan, ilusyon na lang yung kalayaan. Sa aking kinatatayuan, impyerno tong maituturing. Ukol sa kalayaan, ano ang kaya mong sakupin? Libog sa kasalukuyang kalaguyo ay alipin. Nagmistula kang aninong kalungkutan ng kasiping. Paano na lang kaya kung di ko kayanin? Malambitin dun sa lubid kong malasin. Dahil sa di ko makita, kulang sa'kin. Pakisagot naman. Ayokong malunod sa ilog at chiron. Mas piniling lumangoy kaysa walang tugon. Malimit madalas walang sagot sa aking mga tanong. Kahit paputol na litid, tila sigaw ay pabulong. Bakit ganun? Alam ko naman yan ang laging tanong. Alam mo bang di ka nag-iisa? Kasama may kapal, kapalaran man ay hindi tiyak. Normal lang madapa, madismaya, normal lang umiyak. Ganun man kalakas ang alon ay kaya mong pumalagdama. Kung gulugod mo lang, di mo kayang maharap, kaya mo yan. Naniniwala ko sa'yo, kung di mo maabot yung lalim, malaya kang tumalon, kaya mo yan. Naniniwala ko sa'yo, balang araw kapalaran ay kamayan mo ng malugod, kaya mo yan. Naniniwala ko sa'yo, kung maulan pagtapos niyan, bahaghari ang susulpot, kaya mo yan. Naniniwala ko sa'yo, kung madami kang tanong, nandiyan ang Diyos na sasagot.